dancing with Conroy.
Yes! Now, look here. Look here. Chinaka, you are mad. There's nothing madder than you that's in this competition. But really, that song is mad. The performer is mad. It was mad. It was just, it was refreshing. That's the best thing I've seen since night, rock-wise.
Aline.
Listen to me now. You are incredible. Last week you were like the consummate reggae lady with the red, green, and gold, and now you are a rock star, like new hair, new lip, new everything, right? You owned it. You're so entertaining. You sound so good. You're so powerful. You're having so much fun. Even if we didn't want to have fun, we'd have fun with you. Best performance of the night.
Anthony.
Yeah, but everybody went off the rails a little, and so did you. But the point is, everybody else did. No, you chose a song which is a proper rock song. Alanis Morissette is a proper rock singer. A lot of the other people chose sort of lightweight tunes. That's a proper rock song.
All right, thanks, judges.